Hi guys, this is Donna. Welcome back to my channel. I'm a personal chef, cooking instructor, and a recipe developer, and I love creating healthy, budget-friendly, and delicious recipes. So if you are looking to learn how to prepare healthy meals for yourself, hit the subscribe button and I'll be happy to help. So we're continuing breakfast theme, and we're going to make oatmeal today. So it's very simple with oats, little brown sugar, little cinnamon, and I'm going to use almond milk. You can use any kind of milk you like, plain milk, you can use oat milk, you can use coconut milk, is really good for that. And to just give a little flavor, I'm going to add little cinnamon, and you can add maple syrup instead of regular sugar, and then you can garnish it with little cocoa nibs, which are really great antioxidants for you, and some blueberries, same great thing. And if you have banana, you can put the sliced bananas on top and have it. Okay, let's do it. Our oatmeal is boiling, so you can see the texture. It's kind of thickened. So I'm just going to add a little bit of salt. It's not going to be salty, don't worry. And I have a tablespoon of brown sugar. You can add, as I said, maple syrup or honey. I just had brown sugar at hand. And I am going to add maybe half a teaspoon of cinnamon, because it's a great spice. I love cinnamon smell. And now we can add just half a cup of milk. So as I said, you can add any kind of milk, whole milk, skim milk, coconut milk, or no milk at all. If you don't want to add any milk, you don't have to add any milk. And just let it cook for another minute or two and it'll be done. So our oatmeal looks kind of ready. I think it's a nice consistency. It's not too thin and it's not too thick, and it looks like oats are cooked. So I'm going to pour it in my bowl, and I'm going to top it with blueberries. You can top with any fruit that you have. You can also sprinkle some coconut, shredded coconut, and I like cocoa nibs. And I love actually this combination of colors of bananas, cocoa nibs, and blues. Oh, that's pretty, and I'm sure it tastes pretty good. All right, a little more, and voila, our oatmeal is ready. It actually took us about 8 minutes to prepare this dish, and you have nice, warm, comforting meal for breakfast. So we just made oatmeal with cocoa nibs, bananas, and blueberries. Hope you enjoyed the episode, and if you like the video, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Happy cooking!